hey, really quick, no more emotional hypnosis. No more emotional hypnosis. No more emotional hypnosis. Regulate your nervous system or get regulated. You say, Dr. Baker, what are you talking about? Every time you don't take a time out, spend time with yourself, learn how to regulate your nervous system. Every time you don't do that, you know what happens? A dysregulated nervous system becomes easier and easier to manipulate. A dysregulated nervous system becomes easier and easier to manipulate. Calm people, people that have a regulated nervous system, calm people are unreachable. See, when your nervous system is dysregulated, you know what happens? People can manipulate you very easy. They can manipulate you. They manipulate you by getting angry, trying to get a response out of you. They manipulate you by triggers, acting vulnerable. They manipulate you. They manipulate you by silent treatment. All manipulation. Some even go as far as manipulating you by creating distance between you and them, hoping that if they create distance, that you will then pull in. But guess what? Those are all manipulation and control tactics. To what? To regulate and to control your nervous system. When I went through trauma recovery, the first thing I had to learn was how to regulate my own nervous system. Because when you are in a dysfunctional environment, what happens is the environment and the person in that environment that's dysfunctional and toxic, the leader, the group leader, the ringleader, you know, that toxic person that you're dating, they regulate your nervous system. That toxic wife, she's regulating your nervous system. That toxic husband, he's regulating your nervous system. That toxic boyfriend, that toxic friend group, that toxic work environment, regulating your nervous system. You say, no, they do. Because the reason I know that your system is regulated, and you can take this test for yourself. Go to work, sit in your desk, work, be in your own little happy bubble. And what people will do is they will come over there and try to do something to frustrate you, to manipulate you. Some people say to get a rise out of you. That means to get a reaction out of you. What that does is every time they do that, it regulates your nervous system. They control it. When you should be regulating it, they're controlling it and they're regulating it according to what they want. And whatever they want is aligned with why they're manipulating you. So again, my question to you is, when are you going to stop letting people emotionally put you under hypnosis? That's what that is. Emotional hypnosis. The person that's toxic, the way they hypnotize you is they get angry, you respond. They get angry some more, you run over there and respond some more. You abandon yourself, then you run over there and you respond. They ignore you, and then you call. Could it be that the response that you're giving is giving them permission to control you? That's what manipulators do. They use emotions, they use vulnerabilities, they use all type of ways to control you and regulate you. And it's not until you leave out of the toxic environment that you realize how toxic that person really was, and how that person was manipulating and regulating you according to all of the things they were doing to you. Angry with you for no reason, silent treatment for days, sometimes weeks. That's all to try to put you under emotional hypnosis to regulate you according to whatever it is that they need. Again, when are you going to come out of hypnosis? Let this week be a week that you don't go under hypnosis. Regulate your own nervous system. Don't allow anyone to control you, because you have two choices. You can either regulate it yourself, or you can get regulated.